Hello everyone, so tonight I'm staying at the Ibis budget Montbéliard. I've been given room 334 on the second floor. So let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Use a PIN code to enter the room. That's the floor plan. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the right, it's the toilet. With the light switches, air conditioning panel, the sink with a mirror, and the main room light above. Here's the shower. Okay, so further inside, there is the bed with my traveling penguin, small desk area with a chair, and a place to hang your clothes and whatnot. There are a couple of lights right there. Oh. And a mirror. Hello. Small flat screen Philips TV. A plug. And the window. This is actually the shade. You pull it up using that hook right there. But you can also open it up as a vent or in full. The view that I get out of the window is of the hotel's car park below. And you can see my rental right there. It is a black 308 SW. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 334 at the Ibis budget Montbéliard. Thanks for watching and goodbye.